Hello, in this video I will talk about insert drop-down list into Microsoft Excel. So there is two methods. One method is like this. So when you click the small arrow here, it shows the list. And if you move your mouse to another cell, you won't see the drop-down icon here. Only when you click this icon, cell, you can see the icon over here. Another drop-down list is like this. It's when you click it, you can select. So I prefer to using this one. It depends on what you want. So I will show you how to do those two methods. So first one, we'll show you this method. It's easy. You need to go to the data menu and select the, let's do that over here. So you click the shell, you want to do the list, and then you go to data validation, select the first one, data validation. Okay. So it will allow a list of data. So we select allow list. Here you want to input the source. Okay. So let's create the source first. Cancel that. So let's create the source here. So I want to do the source. The selection option is okay. So that's the source. We'll drop down show those menu here. So we go back to here, select all the shells, go back to data validation, where it is. Oh, here. Okay. Then under value, we allow list. The source, we click that and select the source. Click OK. So when you move your cursor here, you can see the list A, B, 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 C, C, C. And here you can also select different one. Okay. So that's one of the method. And this one, you need show the developer menu. So you need to go to the file, options, then customize ribbon. For here, you can see the developer. By default, it's not checked. So check that. You will see a developer menu here, and you can insert. You have the options combo box. Okay, select that one, put here. Oh, put here. You can resize it to meet the shell size. Okay. So then you right click it, format control, and go to the control, input range. You select the source. Okay. Okay, let's see. When you click, you can see A, B, C, D. Okay. So that's two methods. I prefer use this one because it's always show the icon here. You know this shell you need click somewhere. It has input. For example, this one, when you click, you can see only the small icon here. Maybe the user don't know, they can click here and they input something different. Okay, then you see the error message and you don't know how to solve the message. Okay, so that's it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.